cooling off. Imagination station here. I see we've got some ice, Dan, this morning, and you've got another tool over here that is not quite so cool.
Okay, so we'll get to that stuff in a second.
Okay.
Today is National Watermelon Day.
Today is?
Today.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys knew that, but
Did you bring us a snack?
I have a watermelon here. Now we're doing something pretty special down at Imagination Station today.
Okay.
If you come down, we are actually going to be crushing this watermelon.
With a sledgehammer.
Not with a sledgehammer. We're
Oh.
actually going to be using rubber bands.
You
Okay.
can smash it with a rubber band?
So if we are going to take rubber bands here, you want to grab
Here,
that,
let me try one.
stretch it
Okay.
out, and we'll put it over at the top here.
Just like that.
We're going to be putting hundreds of rubber bands on this watermelon, and that pressure from that constricting the elastic
That
and the
will
rubber
eventually
bands,
crush it?
It will eventually whoosh, elastic and crush it in half. It'll be great.
All right, sounds like a
So
lot
we're
of
going to
fun.
be doing that all day long. We're going to be putting hundreds of rubber bands
So
down
to
on this
celebrate Watermelon Day, we're going to crush one.
we're going to crush a watermelon.
It's your
in
day,
honor
but
of
it's
water-
really
and
not
I don't
gonna
know
be
if we're
your
going
day,
to eat
buddy.
it afterwards, but we're going to be
Why
crushing some
not?
watermelons, and it's going to be lots of fun. So you can come on down to Science Center.
Yep.
Maybe guess, see how many rubber bands it takes.
That'd be a lot of fun.
And check it out and hopefully watch it when it explodes.
Okay, so we've got this watermelon sitting on ice, though.
So we got the watermelon on ice. Now the
Yes.
ice is not here just for the watermelon. It's actually here for something else.
Okay.
So I'm actually going to move the watermelon out
Okay,
of the way.
see you,
here.
buddy.
And while we're
gonna
while
put
we-
some protective
We're going to
gear
go on a
on.
little field trip over here. Why don't you put
Okay.
your safety equipment on?
I love it when you guys stop by and you bring the big gloves and the glasses. I know it's going to be a fun day.
So I've got this big barrel. This is a little bit bigger than a watermelon. So this is a 55-gallon steel drum. Okay, and I've actually put some water inside, and you can see it's steaming.
Yeah, there's just a little bit of steam coming out of here.
I've been heating it up with this tool here. It's called a rosebud. It's like basically like a flamethrower.
We can call it a flamethrower because that's a cooler name for
Okay,
it.
and what I'm doing is I'm heating up the water inside, turning it into steam. When
Right.
it heats up, it expands and takes up way more space.
Okay, so you're basically bloating this barrel.
I'm bloating the vapor inside. So
Yep.
it's spreading out. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to crush this barrel, just like we're crushing that watermelon.
Yep.
And to do that, we're going to take it, we're going to lift it up, you're going to give me a hand, we're going to move it into this ice bath. Okay, and that's going to rapidly cool the inside, all right, and shrink down and condense that steam that we made. Okay.
And then we're going to see what happens.
And the air pressure, hopefully, from the outside of 14.7 pounds per square inch atmospheric pressure, that slight pressure imbalance from the inside and the outside is going to crush the steel barrel.
So you're saying just the pressure difference from the outside air that we feel to
Yes.
what's going to be happening in there's going to be enough pressure here to crush this.
Yes, hopefully.
Wow. Okay.
Fingers
hopefully.
crossed. So
All right.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it up, and then I'm going to seal off the cap here, and then
Okay.
you're going to help me. You can be on this side,
Okay.
and we'll pick it up and move it over onto the ice.
All right, so we need to heat it up first.
All right, Ryan, you ready?
So this is our quote-unquote flamethrower, right?
So it's called a rosebud. Okay, and I can get it started with my little sparker here.
So we're doing this so that we warm it up.
Ooh. I'm heating up the air on the inside. Or the
And I can
water.
see the steam coming out of it now that you're really warming it up. You guys really do have all the tools at Imagination Station. There you go, now you can really see it coming out.
All right, I think that's plenty good.
Okay, so it's nice and toasty.
So I'm going to take my cap.
So this is the important part too, you have to seal it off all the
I
way.
have to seal it off in order to seal in that pressure.
Okay,
All right, that pressure difference. And I've got my special tool here to
tighten it up.
help tighten my...
Because it would find the weakest point otherwise, correct?
It would, and we don't want that air getting in because we want that pressure difference in order to crush the barrel, right?
Right.
One more twist here.
Okay,
Perfect. All right,
We've got
so
our
we're
barrel.
going to lift it up,
okay.
and then we're going to go in front here and behind.
Right
We're going
over
to set
here.
it right here on our ice here, and we can kind of move
Twist
it
it
around.
around a
You can
little
feel
bit.
how hot it is, right?
Well, you can hear it searing, almost like if you
It's
put
like
your
sizzling there.
opponent-
Pour that on top. This is cool water. Oh, and we can hear it giving out now. It'll start to crush. You can see the top is going in there. Yep, keep pouring that water on there. Now just that slight pressure difference
Whoa! Look at that. It sounds like
causes that amazing. We can actually, if you want to lift
wow.
it up,
Yep.
get it the other side
Look at
down
this
there.
thing. This was a full size, and it just
It's at
crushes it.
14.7 pounds per square inch, just the atmospheric pressure.
So we're not doing anything special on the outside. We're not crushing it. We're not the Hulk here.
We
This
don't
is
need
just
our
the air.
muscles. We have science to crush this
I'm going to tell
barrel.
everybody I did it though.
Okay.
This is
Isn't that
very cool
amazing?
stuff.
I mean, and this is a sturdy barrel too.
So this is a good
And-
example of what we can do down at Imagination Station. We also, of course, maybe not crushing this
Absolutely.
right now, but we're going to crush water.
We're going to be crushing watermelons today, so if you want to come on down and check it out, we're going to have watermelon all over the
All right,
place.
Dan, thank you very much. All right, we've got more of your day right after this. We're going to keep crushing it.
Yeah.